times f prime of x times dx is equals to f of b minus f of a. In other words, if prime is the antiderivative of f, then the integral a to b times f of x times dx is equal to f of b minus f of a. A common notation for f of b minus f of a is f of 5. So we have here a graph with the function of t and the function of y is equal to f of t. We're going to compute the area of the curve which a and b is defined as area under the curve. We are going to compute the area of the curve to a variable point of x. We'd like to define the function of a of x to be the cumulative area as you go to a of x. And is given by the integral a to x of f of t dt. Now, if you see a new function, you want to ask the derivative of that function. The derivative of a is the limit which delta x turns to 0 of a of x plus delta x minus a of x over the delta x. Let's see the graph. This is our function to the letter a to b. We look a of x plus delta x, that's going to be the area. And we subtract a of x, we're going to subtract the area of that, and so a of x plus delta x minus a of x is just integral of x plus delta x. And that's going to be the limit of delta x turns to 0. I subtract two integrals, so I write divide delta x to the integral of x to x plus delta x of f of t dt. This is the limit that we're gonna compute. Now on this interval, it turns out of this particular function, decreasing function of this interval. I can bound the area below by this of rectangle. And let's call this value of y sub small m. That will be the minimum value of function of all the intervals. And also of this interval, I can find upper bound of this area. That's gonna be y sub big M. So we have f of m is less than equal to a of x plus delta x minus a of x over delta x. And that is less than equal to f of b big F. And let's see. With this portion, we started with continuous of the star interval. So this function is continuous of the integral of x to x plus delta x. You can find the x with the maximum value of curve, and you can find the other x with the minimum value of curve. The limit delta x turns to 0 of a of x plus delta x minus a of x over delta x. It's equal to the function of f of x, and this is the statement of fundamental theorem of calculus, that the area of function is cumulative area of function of derivative of this is integrated.